Did you know that cosmetic procedures among people over 65 have increased by over 300% in the last decade? While your grandmother might have accepted aging gracefully, today's seniors are rewriting the rules of beauty. But before you book that appointment, there are some shocking truths about senior beauty treatments that could save your life, your money, and your confidence. Stay with me because what I'm about to reveal will change everything you thought you knew about aging and aesthetics. The beauty industry has undergone a revolutionary transformation, and nowhere is this more evident than in the growing trend of seniors embracing aesthetic treatments. Gone are the days when turning 60 meant accepting wrinkles, age spots, and sagging skin as inevitable. Today's seniors are more vibrant, active, and beauty-conscious than ever before, leading to an unprecedented boom in cosmetic procedures designed specifically for mature skin. This shift represents more than just vanity. For many seniors, aesthetic treatments offer a pathway to renewed confidence, improved self-esteem, and a sense of control over the aging process. However, navigating the world of beauty treatments as a senior comes with unique considerations, risks, and benefits that younger patients simply don't face. Let's start by examining the most popular non-invasive treatments that seniors are flocking to worldwide. Botox injections have become the gateway drug of senior aesthetics, and for good reason. When administered properly, botulinum toxin can dramatically reduce the appearance of crow's feet, forehead lines, and frown lines. For seniors, the appeal goes beyond vanity. Many report feeling more confident in professional settings, social situations, and even dating scenarios. The benefits of Botox for seniors are compelling. The procedure takes just minutes, requires no downtime, and results appear gradually over several days. Many seniors appreciate this subtlety, as it allows them to refresh their appearance without dramatic changes that might draw unwanted attention or questions from family members. However, the risks for seniors are notably different from younger patients. Mature skin has less elasticity and different healing properties. Blood circulation may be compromised, and many seniors take medications that can affect bleeding and healing. Additionally, the muscle structure changes with age, meaning that injection sites and dosages must be carefully adjusted to avoid complications, like droopy eyelids or asymmetrical results. Dermal fillers represent another cornerstone of senior aesthetics, but they come with their own set of considerations. Hyaluronic acid fillers can restore volume to cheeks, smooth nasolabial folds, and even enhance lip definition. For seniors who have lost facial volume due to natural collagen depletion, fillers can literally take years off their appearance. The psychological benefits are often profound. Many seniors report feeling like themselves again after filler treatments, as if they've reclaimed their face from the ravages of time. This emotional transformation can be life-changing, particularly for seniors dealing with depression, social isolation, or self-esteem issues related to aging. Yet the risks are real and serious. Senior skin is more fragile and prone to complications like bruising, swelling, and, in rare cases, vascular compromise. The healing process takes longer, and results may not be as predictable as they are in younger patients. Perhaps most importantly, seniors are more likely to have underlying health conditions that could complicate treatment or recovery. Chemical peels have gained tremendous popularity among seniors seeking to address sun damage, age spots, and overall skin texture. Light to medium peels can dramatically improve skin appearance with relatively minimal downtime. The appeal for seniors is understandable. After decades of sun exposure, many have significant hyperpigmentation and rough skin texture that can be effectively treated with chemical peels. The benefits extend beyond mere appearance. Many seniors find that improved skin texture makes makeup application easier and more natural looking. This can be particularly important for seniors who rely on cosmetics to feel confident and put together in their daily lives. However, senior skin presents unique challenges for chemical peel treatments. Mature skin is typically thinner and more sensitive, requiring modified approaches and longer healing times. The risk of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation is higher, particularly in seniors with darker skin tones. Additionally, Many seniors take medications that increase photosensitivity, making proper aftercare absolutely critical. Laser treatments represent the high-tech frontier of senior aesthetics, offering solutions for everything from age spots to wrinkles to unwanted hair. Fractional laser resurfacing can dramatically improve skin texture and tone, while IPL treatments can address multiple concerns simultaneously. For seniors dealing with multiple skin issues, laser treatments often provide the most comprehensive results. The appeal is obvious. Laser treatments can address concerns that topical products and less invasive procedures cannot touch. For seniors with significant sun damage or deep wrinkles, lasers may be the only viable option for meaningful improvement. But the risks are proportionally higher. Senior skin heals more slowly and unpredictably after laser treatments. The risk of complications like scarring, hyperpigmentation, or hypopigmentation is elevated. Additionally, many seniors take medications that can interfere with healing or increase complication risks. Now let's shift our focus to surgical procedures, where the stakes and considerations become even more complex. Facelifts remain the gold standard for dramatic facial rejuvenation, and seniors are increasingly pursuing these procedures. Modern techniques like mini facelifts and thread lifts offer less invasive alternatives to traditional surgery, making them more appealing to older patients. The benefits of surgical procedures for seniors can be transformative. A well-executed facelift can take decades off a person's appearance and provide results that last for years. For seniors who feel that their appearance no longer reflects how they feel inside, surgery can be life-changing. However, surgical risks increase significantly with age. Anesthesia complications are more common in older patients, healing times are extended, and the risk of serious complications like infection or poor wound healing is elevated. Perhaps most importantly, seniors may have unrealistic expectations about recovery time and final results. Eyelid surgery, or blepharoplasty, deserves a special mention as it's one of the most popular surgical procedures among seniors. Droopy eyelids can make seniors look tired, sad, or older than they feel. Beyond cosmetic concerns, severely droopy eyelids can actually impair vision, making this procedure both aesthetic and functional. The benefits are often dramatic and long-lasting. Seniors report not only looking younger but actually seeing better after eyelid surgery. The psychological impact of having bright, alert-looking eyes cannot be overstated. Yet the risks are real. Dry eyes are a common complication, which can be particularly problematic for seniors who may already have tear production issues. Additionally, healing around the delicate eye area can be unpredictable in older patients. One of the most critical considerations for seniors pursuing aesthetic treatments is the selection of qualified practitioners. Age discrimination in aesthetics is real, with some practitioners dismissing senior patients or failing to adequately address their unique needs. Conversely, some unscrupulous providers specifically target seniors with unrealistic promises or inappropriate procedures. The ideal practitioner for senior patients should have extensive experience with mature skin and understand the physiological changes that occur with aging. They should be willing to take a conservative approach and prioritize safety over dramatic results. Most importantly, they should be honest about limitations and realistic about expected outcomes. Financial considerations add another layer of complexity to senior aesthetic treatments. Most cosmetic procedures are not covered by insurance, and seniors often live on fixed incomes. The cost of treatments can be substantial, particularly when multiple sessions or touch-ups are required. However, many seniors view aesthetic treatments as an investment in their quality of life and emotional well-being. For seniors who are dating, re-entering the workforce, or simply want to feel more confident, the cost may be justified by the psychological benefits. The social and psychological aspects of senior aesthetics cannot be ignored. Family reactions can be complex, with adult children sometimes disapproving of their parents' decisions to pursue cosmetic treatments. This can create tension and conflict within families, particularly when significant amounts of money are involved. Peer reactions can be equally complex. Some seniors face judgment from friends who view aesthetic treatments as vain or age-inappropriate. Conversely, others find themselves in social circles where such treatments are normalized and even expected. Recovery and aftercare present unique challenges for senior patients. Healing times are typically longer, and the recovery process may be more uncomfortable. Many seniors live alone or have limited support systems, making it difficult to manage aftercare requirements. This is particularly important for surgical procedures that require assistance with daily activities during recovery. The emotional roller coaster of aesthetic treatments can be particularly intense for seniors. The excitement of potential transformation may be followed by disappointment if results don't meet expectations. Additionally, seniors may experience grief or sadness as they confront the reality of aging, even when pursuing treatments to combat it. Despite these challenges, the trend towards senior aesthetics shows no signs of slowing. Advances in technology and techniques continue to make treatments safer and more effective for older patients. Non-invasive procedures in particular are becoming increasingly sophisticated, offering meaningful results with minimal risk. The key to successful aesthetic treatments for seniors lies in realistic expectations, careful practitioner selection, and thorough understanding of risks and benefits. Seniors considering aesthetic treatments should approach the decision with the same careful consideration they would give to any medical procedure. Education is crucial. Seniors should research procedures thoroughly, understand all potential complications, and have realistic expectations about results and recovery. Multiple consultations with different practitioners can provide valuable perspective and help identify the most appropriate approach. Support systems are equally important. Whether it's family, friends, or support groups, having people who understand and support the decision can make the entire experience more positive and successful. The future of senior aesthetics looks increasingly bright. New technologies and techniques specifically designed for mature skin are in development. Additionally, the growing acceptance of aesthetic treatments among seniors is leading to better training for practitioners and more age-appropriate approaches to treatment. As we look toward the future, it's clear that the beauty industry will continue to evolve to meet the needs of an aging population. The stigma around aesthetic treatments for seniors is diminishing, replaced by recognition that everyone deserves to feel confident and beautiful at any age. The decision to pursue aesthetic treatments as a senior is deeply personal and should never be taken lightly. However, for those who choose this path with proper education, realistic expectations, and qualified practitioners, the results can be transformative. The key is approaching these decisions with wisdom, caution, and a clear understanding of both the potential benefits and risks involved. Remember, true beauty comes from confidence, health, and happiness. Aesthetic treatments can be tools to enhance these qualities, but they should never be viewed as necessary for self-worth or acceptance. The most beautiful seniors are those who embrace their age with grace while making choices that help them feel their best, whether those choices include aesthetic treatments or not.